Simon says touch something color brown.
Yes, I like one.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Simon says come back to your place. Okay. Simon says clap your hands 3 times. 1. Very good. Simon says hop with one leg. Simon says stop. Simon says dance a little bit. Simon says stop. Simon says sit down on the floor. Up. Simon says sit down. Simon says go and touch something color blue. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Simon says come back to your place. Simon says close your mouth. Simon says jump 4 times. Jump. 2, 3,